Hey everyone, season's greetings to you and your family. This is your girl Shawna. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I showcase plant-based recipes. So this week I'm definitely going to show you how I make banana fruit cake. So guys, stay tuned for this video. Watch until the end. I know tradition in the Caribbean is to have our black fruit cake during the season, so I'm putting a spin on it, guys, and I'll be making banana fruit cake. So what I have here is 2 cups of mixed fruits. I have cranberries, I have plums being soaked with red label wine, half cup red label wine, 1/4 cup Jamaican overproof rum, and I have probably a teaspoon of orange peel. You can use lime peel if you don't have orange peel. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to pour the ingredients into the food processor. It smells lovely, guys. So I'm going to add the lime peel because I want it to blend out somewhat, but you still taste it in the flavors of it in there. And I'm going to mix this. I will mix it another time. I want it to be mixed 2 times. This is it. If you want it finer than this, you can blend it more, but this is fine for me, so I'll just put this to the side. Moving on to the second stage of the process is to peel our bananas. So here I have 6 ripe bananas. You can use very overripe bananas, but these are not yet overripe, but still using them. So I just peel these and put them in the bowl. So I move on to crushing them, guys. Crush them as smooth as I can. I'm going to use a spoon to get it. I will now add my applesauce, and this is unsweetened applesauce, and this is like the egg substitute because this is a no dairy recipe. And I also add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add more, but I'm not a sugar. I try to use as less sugar as possible. So now that we have these ingredients, I just combine. And I also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is fresh lemon, guys. So I'll combine these together. Now that this is thoroughly mixed, guys, I move on to the next stage, is to prepare the dry ingredients. So I'll just put this to the side. I'll be using 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can add more salt if you like also. But again, I cannot use too much salt. That's what is required. So I just grab my sieve because I'll be sieving the flour. I just pour the flour in there and I sieve it. When you have the flour sieved, they say that it makes the cake more lighter, because you know this is a heavy cake. So I add another cup of flour to it, and I sieve baking powder to it, 1 teaspoon. You can also, at this stage, preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon. Salt. So you just combine now until everything is evenly distributed. I'll just add my essence now to the wet mixture. 1 teaspoon. This is almond essence, vanilla essence. I just add also 1/8 cup of olive oil, not too much, because I'm not using any butter or any, even though the applesauce is the mixture, I still added a little oil to it. So I just combined. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients. So I add 1/3 cup of the flour, some of the fruits, and I'll fold it in. Guys, Christmas cake, or black cake as we call it here in the Caribbean. This is always on our Christmas menu. So if you want to try something different, you can try this banana cake, guys. I remember growing up as a child eating Christmas cake on Christmas Day or during the Christmas season. So this brings back some memories. So guys, at this stage I'm going to add browning, probably add a teaspoon. Browning is all depending on how dark you want your cake to look. I'll just add a little bit more of the good old Jamaican wine. Thoroughly combined, just to make sure that the ingredients is mixed. What I did was to base my baking pan, put some wax paper to prevent sticking. This is a 3-pound baking pan, so I just now add the ingredients to it. So I just shake it so that it spreads. And I put this in the oven for 45 to an hour. So what you can do to test it is to put a knife in the middle or a toothpick. Comes out clean, then you're good to go. Cake is ready to be taken out of the fridge. So see you in an hour, guys. It's looking lovely, guys. And I tasted it. Well, the other one that I did tastes really good, and I'm just going to cut it to show you how the inside looks, but very lovely. I will even soak it down with some more red label wine. So I'll just cut a slice so you can see the inside of it. And I had it cool before I try to cut it. So guys, here is it. It was cut properly. So here is our banana fruit cake. So it's similar to the black cake. It has everything, including ripe bananas, guys, and I think this is the texture that I want. And you can try this, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come over, more plant-based recipes. Do have a blessed Christmas, and do try my fruit cake. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And thank you for viewing, and I lock to the channel for even more recipes in 2021. Thank you for tuning in.